Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then find additional settings, this one. In this menu, go into Gangster and Shortcuts, and here we got 4 options of our Quick Launch. So, for example, I want to activate launch camera. Go into this menu, and here we got 2 options: double press the power button and double press volume down when the screen is locked. Activate these 2 options. This position of switcher like blue, it's activate this option. So let's try. Double press the power key, and how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.